Okay, guys, so now that we sort of know what's going on with Google Classroom, the final aspect of Google Classroom that we want to discuss is assignments. So as your instructor posts assignments in Google Classroom, make sure you're on the Stream tab, and you will see different assignments that are posted in Google Classroom. Okay, so let's go down here. So there are a few different types of things that your instructor might do. So number one is an announcement. So if they create an announcement, it's just really, it's going to create an announcement that lets you see, what your instructor wants you to see. It might be important information. It might be something that you need to do. So just make sure that you're reading things as they pop up on your Google Classroom page. So first, this is just an announcement. If you notice, it doesn't have any little symbol next to it. So if it's just a symbol with your teacher's picture, that means this is an announcement. So this is just something that they're shouting out to you. So hey, welcome back to school. Don't forget, order your yearbook. I'm a yearbook sponsor, order your yearbook. Anyway, so if they attach something, you can see that. So here they attached a PDF, I attached a PDF. And all this is just a yearbook flyer. Since I was saying, hey, order your yearbook, I attached the flyer to it. So now we'll move to the second type of thing that might be on your stream. Next is an assignment. All right, so the assignment, it's a little clipboard looking thing here. That means that this is an assignment. So you can check over to the side and see when your assignments are due. You want to make sure to pay attention to this. So up here there are two assignments. So the first assignment, it tells you, hey, I haven't done this yet. It's not done. And it's due tomorrow. So that's something I may want to consider doing fast. So here, this assignment was due at 9 o'clock this morning, and it's late. So that is a problem. Um, so I have two assignments. Even though this one's late, I need to figure out, okay, what's the late policy on work? Okay, I have up to 3 days to get this turned in, so I should probably do this now. So the assignment, it's an introduction essay. Type a one-page essay introducing yourself to the class. Make sure to tell me at least one hobby or something you were looking forward to from the school year. Okay, so I want to go through and I want to do that, which brings me to something else that I want to show you guys really quickly. Actually, I'll do that later, never mind. So introduction essay, I need to upload an assignment. So I'll click open, and it'll bring me to a different page. So mark assignments as done, got it. Mark it as done. You can just mark it as done if you want, but that doesn't mean it's done. So that's just for your FYI. So now I have this assignment. This is what the assignment prompt is telling me. Maybe there was a document attached to it. Maybe the rubric was attached or the prompt was attached to it. This is just an example of what an attachment would look like. This isn't the actual prompt that goes along with this assignment. So I can do one of two things here. I can add, so say I already typed up the assignment in Google Docs, or I typed it up in Word, so I can just add it. So as long as it's, if I wanted to upload it from Google Drive, because I have it saved as a Google Doc, I could click Google Drive, and then go to My Drive, and it would have anything that I've created, it would be here. Alright, but I haven't created anything, so I can't upload it. But maybe I have my document on a flash drive. Maybe I typed it up at home and brought it to school with me. Then in that case, I would click File. And then I can upload files from my computer, and I would go through and find my flash drive, and I could upload it from there. Okay, so maybe I haven't done it at all, and I need to do it. So I can click Create. Okay, so this is an essay, so I need a Google Doc. I can ignore the rest of the stuff. Click Google Doc. So on this page, I can work on my assignment. Oh, this is the this is the tour that we don't need to do. All right, so if I click Create, okay, there we go. Click to create. and it would create an assignment for me, so I can click on it and go to Google Docs and I can type it up. Okay, so me, uh, about me, I am late. And then, so I'm done. Okay, so then I typed that up, and so now I have to make sure to turn it in. All right, uploading it isn't enough. It won't register that I've actually turned that assignment in, so I'll click the Turn In button. So it tells me turning in your work. This attachment will be turned in. Double check, make sure that you have the right one. Turn in, and it will turn it in. So it says done late. So it tells me, yes, I've completed it, but I was late. All right, so now that assignment's done. So then now this assignment, tell me about your summer. Open, same thing. I can add if I have it saved already in Google Drive, or file, I can add it from my flash drive if I had have it on a flash drive, or I can create a new one. Okay, so now finally, question. Your instructor might ask you to type a question. So, or might ask you to answer a question. So what do I need to review to understand making a yearbook cutout? Again, it was just off the top of my head. So I could type in my answer. I know that I need to know how to use GIMP, just as an example, and submit. So that would be my answer. So now after you submit your answer, you can see your classmates' answers. So if I click See Classmates, it would have a long list of answers from your classmates here. Again, this is an example, so there's not a lot of students enrolled, but maybe your instructor said, okay, I want you to ask a question, then I want you to respond to someone else's question. So I saw, okay, here's a question they had. You know, I know that I need to know how to use GIMP, but I don't know what tool I need in GIMP. So I would click reply, and I would say, you need to use the lasso tool, and then post. So then I could respond to their question and help them out. All right, and so that's basically it for assignments. So you can create an assignment, or you can add an assignment from your drive or your flash drive.